online ang super papremyo ng Super Lotto 649 game. Last Tuesday, wala pong nakasungkit ng jackpot. Kaya naman tonight's jackpot prize is 25,165,541 pesos and 16 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Super Lotto 649. Lotto players, nakikita po ninyo ang 49 draw balls numbered 1 to 49 na nasa loob ng draw machine. 6 na bola po ang hihintay nating piliin for the official Super Million combination this Thursday evening. And the first number is 3. Ingatan po ang mga lotto tickets, huwag babasahin at huwag paplansyahin ang mga yan. Tandaan, kailangan ma-validate ang winning ticket sa pag-claim ng inyong premyo. For our second number, we have 39. Sa Super Lotto 649, panalo kayo ng 50 pesos pag nag-match ang tatlong numero ninyo sa ating mga winning numbers. And to win, your numbers can come in any order. The third number is 38. Kung 4 winning numbers ang inyong nakuha, 1.2 million pesos ang papremyong paghatian equally na mga winners. At para po manalo, pwedeng rumble ang mga numero. The fourth number is 23. Sa kaninamang 5 winning numbers ang nasa ticket ninyo, 1.3 million pesos ang pantay-pantay na paghatian. Reminder to our players to play smart, play safe, and play responsibly. The fifth number is 26. Lotto fans, very easy lamang po maglaro ng Lotto. Magtanong lang ng game mechanics sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. And for our sixth and final number, we have 14. This night is just getting started. More jackpot prizes and big beats ang iatid namin after this break. Up next, ang OG Lotto 642. Wala po tayong jackpot winner last Tuesday, kaya naman ang jackpot prize po natin ngayong gabi ay 31,911,511 pesos and 47 centavos, net of the agent's prize commission. Sir, please press that button and let's play Lotto 642. Lotto players, 42 draw balls numbered 1 to 42 ang nag-umpisa ng haluin sa loob ng draw machine. We will be waiting for 6 lucky numbers to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination. Good luck, Lotto players! And the first number is 20. Lotto winners, you only have 1 year to claim your prizes. Sa pagkuha po ng panalo, magdala ng 2 valid IDs at syempre, ang inyong winning ticket. The second number is 21. Pagkabili ng Lotto ticket, mas maganda kung pipirmahan agad ng likod nito dahil mawala man po at manalo, kayo lang ang maaaring makapag-claim ng inyong premyo. Our third number is 14. Paalala po, only 18 years old and above are allowed to play the Lotto games. Dito sa Lotto 642, 1 million pesos ang papremyong paghatian equally ng mga players na makakakuha ng 4 winning numbers. Our fourth number is 41. Samantala, 1.1 million pesos naman ang papremyong paghatian equally ng mga makakakuha ng 5 winning numbers. Ang Lotto 642 ay nagpapapremyo tuwing Martes, Huwebes at Sabado. The fifth number is 6. One more lucky number to complete our Lotto 642 winning combination para mapanalunan ang 31 million pesos jackpot. Sana po kayo na nga pong susunod na maging Lotto Milyonaryo. And our sixth and final number is 12. But of course, hindi pa po dito nagtatapos ang excitement mga kalaro. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang pagkakataong manalo dahil pagbalik natin, Digit Games naman po ang aarangkada at ang mga kasama niyo naman po walang iba kundi si Fiona.
Yes, Stan, Digit Game players, this is your moment kaya stay tuned. Keep those tickets ready at maglalaro agad tayo sa pagbabalik ng PCSO Lottery Draw. Nasa 6D Lotto game na po tayo. Hindi pa rin napapanalunan ang first prize last draw na umabot na sa mahigit 6.1 million pesos. To make it even more exciting, mas malaki pa dito ang panalo nyo kapag nag-match ang 6 numbers nyo sa winning combination in exact order. Marami pang paraan para manalo sa game na ito, so much better to keep your tickets and have it validated para hindi masayang ang consolation prizes. At narito na ang 6D Lotto winning combination. The first number, 9. The second number, 0. The third number, 2. The fourth number, 3. The fifth number, 3. And the sixth and final number is 0. 3D Lotto players, get those tickets ready dahil eto na naman ang chance ninyo to win tonight. Let's play 3D Lotto! Dito naman sa 3D Lotto, 3 numbers nyo pwedeng manalo ng 4,500 pesos per 10 peso play kapag nag-match sa mapipiling 3D Lotto winning combination in exact order. 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos naman ang pwedeng mapanalunan kung nag-Rambolito system play. Thrice daily ang pagpapapremyo every 2 p.m., 5 p.m., and 9 p.m. At narito na ang ating 3D Lotto winning numbers. The first number, 1. The second number, 0. And the third number, 7. Again, tonight's 3D Lotto winning combination is 1, 0, and 7 in exact order. At syempre, para sa last game tonight, lucky 2 numbers naman ang may katapat na premyo. Tara na, let's play the 2D Lotto game. 2D Lotto players, 4,000 pesos per 10 peso play ang panalo mo kapag nag-match ang 2 numbers nyo sa ating winning combination in exact order. Kung nanalo via Rambolito system play, 2,000 pesos man ang maiuuwi ninyo. Reminder lang sa mga Lotto winners, may 1 year kayo to claim your prizes. At narito na ang resulta ng ating 2D Lotto draw for the first number, 20. And the second number is 5. Recapping the 2D Lotto winning numbers for our 9 p.m. draw, we have 20,